Okay. Good job, you're doing it! Just like you did earlier, good job! Can you do a dip? Nice job! Good job! Skate just... You're doing so good! There you go. Good job! Can you keep going? Yeah, that's silly, huh? You're going so fast. I'm so impressed. You're doing it all by yourself. You don't. You're doing it all by yourself. I know. You get to teach? You're going to teach people to skate?
When I grow up, I get to teach.
Oh, okay. All right. A butterfly and a teacher. That's a good aspiration, yeah. Good job. Nice job. Can you try,
I don't need to hold on to that.
No, you're doing so good. I know, you're such a good skater. Can you do a dip? Let's try a dip. Dip! Oh, Mom's too old to do a dip. Bend that bottom down. Yeah. That's how you do it. Good job. Can you do a swizzle? You are doing such a good job. Why, you're so brave. Can you push faster? Hands up, head up. There you go.
Look out for that trash!
Oh, thank you. You are so observant. Someone has tissue paper on here. Yes. Let's put that there. Good job. Nice job. Dad's going to be so proud. I'm very proud, yeah. Nice job. See, you're doing it all by yourself. You've almost gone around the whole rink. At least half. Arms up. Head up. You want to go? You're going faster than me? Yeah, you are. Yeah, that is mud. Yep, there you go. Good job. Head up. Nice job, Lana.